In most of the computer courses, especially the software courses, there is a very bold topic, that is network, in which different types of network topologies are described. And in the exams also, it has been asked a numerous times that what are the difference between bus and star topology, ring and tree topology, or what are the advantages of star, ring, bus and mesh topology. So welcome everyone, my name is Aman Rathor and you are watching to my YouTube channel IT Paradigm. So in today's video, we will cover all the main types of network topologies, their advantages and disadvantages. The topologies we will cover in this video are bus topology, star, ring, tree and mesh topology. So let's talk about bus topology. In this network topology, there is a backbone to which all the computers are connected with the T-shape. The coaxial cable 10/2 and 10/5 were the most popular option. And if we talk about advantages, so it was very cheap and easy to implement. And it is the topology which requires the least cabling. And there is no specialized equipment used in this topology. If we talk about disadvantages, the network gets disturbed or stopped when we add or remove any new computer. It is very difficult to troubleshoot the fault. A break in cable will stop the whole network. The second is ring topology. In this topology, each node is connected to two other nodes and each node passes the information to the other until it arrives to its destination. And in this topology, the message is transferred in the same direction, whether clockwise or anti-clockwise. If we talk about its advantages, so it requires very less cabling compared to bus topology. It is suitable for the optical fiber and there is equal access to the information for all nodes, like no one can monopoly. And if we talk about disadvantages, so adding or removing any computer may disturb the network. Fault in any computer will stop the whole network. And it is difficult to diagnose the fault. It is similar to the bus topology, but yes, it is very difficult to find the fault in this network topology. The third is star topology. In this topology, there is a central node to which all other nodes are connected. And the central node acts as the hub which sends or receives the information to all the computer. If we talk about its advantages, so in star topology, it is very easy to add or remove any computer without disturbing the network. The central hub is the best place to diagnose the fault, and the fault in one computer will not stop the whole network. And disadvantages are, like the central hub is the main computer to which all other nodes are connected and is managing whole network. So if it fails, the whole network will be stopped. And it requires a very large cabling as each node has to be connected with the central node. Like one computer is here, one is very far away, so it requires a very large amount of cable to connect with that. So the next is tree topology. This topology is the combination of bus and star topology. And in this topology, all the nodes are connected with each other in the hierarchy method. And if we talk about its advantages, so maintenance and fault finding is very easy, and the other computers will not be affected if one of them get disturbed or damaged. And disadvantages are huge cabling and maintenance is required, like we have to take care of the higher level of hierarchy to the lower level of hierarchy, and the backbone forms the point of failure. Like if the backbone get disturbed, the whole network may get disturbed. Now the last but not least is the mesh topology. It is the most reliable topology in which all the nodes are connected to every other node separately, And if we talk about its advantages, there is no traffic at all. Like every computer can send or receive information at the same time. If any wire breaks, other can be used on its place. It is very easy to fault find. Like finally, from all topologies, this is the topology in which it is very easy to find the fault. If it has good advantages, then it will have very good disadvantages also. Like a huge cabling is required, which can be very costly. The installation is very difficult as each node has to be connected with every other node, and maintaining that much of mesh wire will create the headache. I hope you liked or enjoyed my video. Please write the comment, feedback or review in my comment section so that I can improve in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon for more computer related videos.